Welcome back to the Drive Comfort 2 channel, your go-to destination for future cars, cutting-edge design, and the most mind-blowing automotive tech. If you love speed, innovation, and stunning design, you're in the right place. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on the future of driving. Now let's dive into something truly special. The 2026 Corvette Concept 2040 isn't just a vision of the future, it's a bold declaration of what performance, design, and technology will look like when imagination meets engineering brilliance. This isn't your typical concept car. It's a complete reimagining of what a Corvette could be when rules are rewritten and limitations are ignored. Designed by a secretive team of GM's top designers, the Corvette 2040 is a low-slung, wide-bodied hypercar that's equal parts spaceship and street machine. From its aggressive front facade to its sleek, almost liquid metal bodywork, every line on the Concept 2040 screams speed. The body is sculpted for maximum aerodynamic efficiency, featuring active aero elements that constantly adapt to driving conditions. We're talking about retractable side fins, dynamic air channels, and even a rear wing that morphs based on cornering force. Under the hood, or what used to be the hood, things get even more revolutionary. The Corvette 2040 is all electric, powered by a quad-motor setup delivering a mind-melting 1,400 horsepower. Each wheel has its own motor, allowing for real-time torque vectoring that gives the car insane cornering precision. Forget 0 to 60 in under 2 seconds. We're looking at sub-1.8-second launches with absolutely no wheel spin, thanks to cutting-edge grip control systems and AI-augmented launch calibration. But it's not just about raw speed. The 2040 Concept features a next-gen solid-state battery pack with ultra-fast charging capability. With an 800-volt architecture, the car can charge from 10 to 80% in just 12 minutes. Range: over 600 miles on a single charge under mixed conditions, thanks to regenerative braking and high-efficiency power management. Step inside, and it feels like you've walked into the cockpit of a spacecraft. The interior is dominated by a holographic display system that replaces traditional gauges and screens. Every surface is touch-sensitive, and most controls are operated via gesture or voice. AI assistants monitor everything from your mood to road conditions and adjust lighting, seating, even performance settings in real time. The yoke-style steering wheel can retract completely in autonomous mode, which, yes, this car fully supports. And let's talk materials. The Concept 2040 uses advanced carbon fiber composites, bioengineered leather alternatives, and even smart glass that can shift opacity or display augmented reality overlays. The seats mold to the driver's body using pressure-sensitive memory foam, and the entire cabin can adjust acoustics to match the sound profile you want, whether it's dead silent or tuned to let in just the right amount of electric motor hum. One of the wildest features: a drone assistant. Stored behind the rear panel, it launches with a tap, giving you aerial shots of your drive, tracking your speed from above, or even warning you of traffic ahead. This isn't just a car, it's a fully integrated tech ecosystem. Of course, this is still a concept. We don't expect to see a production version exactly like this anytime soon. But what GM is doing here is giving us a glimpse into what's possible when limits are removed. The 2026 Corvette Concept 2040 is more than a design exercise, it's a statement that performance and sustainability can coexist in ways we never imagined. So what do you think? Is this the Corvette of the future you'd want in your garage, or has it gone too far from its roots? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let's talk about it. If you enjoyed this breakdown, give us a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed for more futuristic automotive content every single week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the future.